Can you please show to the camera your very nice bag which you brought with you? I know it's in Polish, but
it's in Polish, so I need to explain it. Okay, so here is it says język Polki się odmienia, which means the language of Polish women conjugates. And then you have different names of different jobs women can do, and it's important that it has the feminine ending, because in Polish language basically every position has its male and feminine ending, but some of the positions, those which women didn't tend to do, now for some people sound awkward, but they're not awkward. We used to, when you look at the newspapers from the interwar period, which is my period, and I went through a lot of newspapers from the time in Yiddish and in Polish, you see that those endings were used in 1920s. So right now there is nothing weird about using those endings, and we should do that. And this is the bag I'm carrying now in Israel, so there are only few people who understand it, but in Poland I think it's a statement.